Try not to do too much talking in this video. Just gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna blow that. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I'm currently running open dumps on this. I'm gonna go this way. Cute. Popo getting dunking. Still sounds good. It does rattle a lot inside, but it's not terrible. Dude, everyone's fucking flying. Hell yeah. Me too. So I'll get to cutting up with the normal traffic. I'm gonna get into some poles soon. Don't worry, that'll come. This is kind of just like just driving normal to me. My ass is always in sport mode. This traffic is fucked. Come on, dude. Yeah, I'm getting off this road. This is just fucking pissing me off. Not dealing with that. Not getting sandwiched between two fucking buses. Hell no. We'll go this way. Do a little dig. No, this shit does rattle. Bad. Like in the inside. Pretty bad. But it sounds good when I'm fully on it. Yeah, I'm getting the fuck off this road. Not dealing with all this traffic. You guys ain't clicked this, so watch me go in traffic. So I'm getting the fuck out of this. Cool, school's getting out too. Anyone else? Holy shit. I live in this I mean, it's not a big city at all. It's just perfect timing, I guess. That's my bad. Should have picked a better time to do this, but it's as best as it's gonna get. Dude, come on. I get off of the busy road, go on a less busy road, and this shit is still packed. What the hell? They built that shit that quick? Damn. I want to take a left up here. So it's like a little place. I don't know if there's people there now. Fuck it, I'm going into it. Okay. Private road. It's crazy. Check out the scenery. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, dude. Absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I used to make TikToks right here with my car. Gonna launch this bitch. If it was raining, I'd slide this bitch, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna wait for these cars, cause fucking... Some people over here are weird, dude. They catch you over here, they just like fucking tell you to leave. This was not there last time. They must be building shit. Huh. Woo! That bitch got down. That shit scared me. Whoo! Love that shit. Fuck it, let's go this way. Damn, I thought it was a manual. I tweaked. What? None of this shit was here last time I was over here. Well, what in the hell? Looks kind of cool to work at, but it kind of looks like we got trains and shit over here too. Okay. Actually, I think I've been here before for an interview when I was younger. They wouldn't give it to me. It was 23 an hour for third shift. They wouldn't give it to me. I don't know why. I think they asked me a question like, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Like, not here. I don't think they like that. I'm not the type. Not their type. It's alright. Little homie was just looking for a job, dude. You know, we were talking about the future, dude. Come on, day by day. I might die in 5 years, dude. Fuck I know where I'm gonna be. You know? Why do they ask you questions like that? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? Honestly, do somewhere on a fucking beach. Not here, dude. Not here. 2BH. That shit's hilarious to me. Ooh, a little tunnel up here. Oh boy. Rip. Damn. Actually, I did a burnout underneath this tunnel with the Supra. It's in one of my shorts. You could find it. It was in the winter. What the fuck is this? Oh yeah, baby. Now we're talking. I'm gonna go up there and do a little U-ey. Damn, dude. Fuck you all up in my fucking lane, dude. Motherfucker. You see how close he was turning on me, dude? Like, getting your fucking... Look at all this. I'm gonna do launch control. Just to see what it sounds like spooling up. Oh! Sounds wicked. Alrighty. Let's fucking skedaddle, shall we? Little on-ramp. That's how you merge. That's how you get on shit. Mm-hmm.